Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm gonna clean y'all off. There we go. Hey y'all, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Yeah, I'm going back to work today. I'm excited and I'm happy I got the house. So yesterday was our first day out of quarantine. Michael went back to work today. I went back to work today. So life is going on as usual. It's freezing outside. It's like 32 degrees outside, which is super cold for Louisiana. So we'll probably wear a turtleneck today because why not? And that's gonna be our day. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the ending of another video, head to work, come back home. I took some shrimp and crab stew out of the freezer. That's gonna be our dinner tonight because I don't feel like cooking, and I wanted a gumbo, but this is like a gumbo because it has a roux base, so, and it's really good. I can make that so good. I cannot make a gumbo for nothing. Like, I have tried so many times over my life, maybe 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 20, I don't know how many times I've tried to make a gumbo, and it never comes out right. It's either too bland or either too thick, not thick enough. I just cannot make a gumbo at all. So, but I can make a shrimp and crab stew. So that is what we're gonna eat tonight. Leftovers. It's gonna be even better because it froze over a couple weeks. I made it probably about a month ago I made it, and it was so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting dressed and do my minute on this video and then head to work. The girls are with my mother-in-law today because the daycare is closed today because of New Year's. They go back tomorrow. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. I'm so happy. Because they need to learn. I didn't teach them a thing over this quarantine because I was sick. But then on top of that, I'm just not a good teacher. You know what I mean? For that age. So yeah, that's it. So welcome to this week's vlog. Hello. It is still Monday. Y'all saw me earlier. I'm back home. I'm sorry. Why is it so close? Let me see. Oh, let's see. Oh, nope. Better? Okay. So, the girls had a dentist appointment this morning. My mother-in-law took them to go to the dentist to get their teeth looked at. Cupcakes. We got cupcakes today. So, local place here opened back up. And we got a whole dozen of cupcakes. We got white chocolate raspberry. So good. And then champagne. Champagne is with the pink, you call it pink sprinkles on it. It's from Peronius here. If you a local subscriber, then you would know Peronius is. They just opened back up and they are bomb. Mila, get up, sweetheart. She doesn't want to wake up. It's 5 o'clock. I know how I feel about 5 o'clock naps. But they go back to school tomorrow, thank God. And I'm about to go ahead and put this shrimp and crab stew on so we can have our dinner for tonight. And then my mother-in-law gave me some sweets too. Like I need any sweets. Hold on. You want what? You can't eat all my cupcakes. Yeah. My mother-in-law gave me a pecan praline nothing bundt cake. Like I need this, so I'm gonna eat it. And then she gave Micah a whole apple fritter from the donut shop, and then a cinnamon roll. So we got a lot of sweets here today. But I'm gonna go ahead and start our night routine. Get the kids woke so we can eat our dinner. No cupcake right now. After each food, you get a cupcake, okay?
Wake up.
Not right now. And then I'll come back probably a little bit later and check in with you guys. Hey, good morning. It's midweek, y'all. We made it to the half of the week. I didn't vlog yesterday because when I got off of work, shortly thereafter I got called out to work. He worked all night last night, so he just got home at 6:30 this morning. So he's sleeping, and so I had to get the girls and stuff together this morning for us to get ready to go to school. Yeah. Put my seatbelt on. So like I said, it's Wednesday. Nothing new today than any other day. Besides, I'm tired. I actually think I want to get some caffeine. Yeah, I had a caramel macchiato on Monday which is my first cup of coffee since I have been quarantined. Let's just say that my heart felt like it was about to explode. I was in the bathroom maybe 30 minutes, sorry TMI, but it got to my stomach. My heart was like, I'm very sensitive to caffeine, and I guess because I have been drinking it so much lately, and then I went for that like 10-day break of none, and then having a whole espresso in my my macchiato, my body was like in rejection mode, big time. So, oh look at you, check you out back there, girls. Look at you. Where you going? Excuse her hair, y'all. I was supposed to take it down and redo it this morning, but I didn't have time. I'm so tired. Like I said, I woke up at like 7 o'clock. Had to help her throw some makeup on my face. Like, no eyeshadow, just throw it on my face. Throw some lashes on and put a lip on. And I look like I tried to get it together today, and I didn't. So I really attempted to go get some coffee again this morning, but I'm not. Try not to. But I gotta figure out what to cook tonight because I don't know what to cook. And it's raining outside, y'all. It's nasty, gloomy, and raining. So I could definitely be in my bed right now. But I gotta go back to work to make that moolah. So, alright, I'm gonna let y'all go instead of me rambling. I'll check back in with you guys later on tonight when I get off, when I pick the girls up from school. Y'all ready to go to school, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get this day started. Another day. I am on my way to the store to go and get some food for tonight. I want to make some steak and twice baked potatoes is what I'm trying to do. So I think they're on sale at Kroger's, so I'm about to go inside here to go see what they got and see what I can find. I really like ribeyes, but T-bones are on sale, so I don't know. Oh, a parking spot. I'm gonna wait for this lady to back up. I hope, I'm gonna see how much they cost for the ribeyes. If not, we'll have to do T-bone steaks. I don't know, we'll see. I'm about to go inside here and go and get this stuff. I am so tired. That's why I did not put no makeup on today. All I did was put concealer on and went to work. A hot mess. I'm ready for Friday. I am so, come on lady, get back up the car. Golly. I'm so tired. I have not slept good since I went back to work. Honestly, all because I have not slept good. Even last night I thought I would sleep good and I did not sleep good. So I don't know what's going on with my sleep patterns, but I don't know. Let's go inside Kroger's and see what we can get. So that was a blank trip. That y'all saw how high those steak was. For freaking 2 steaks was $40. I'm sorry, I'm not paying $20 for a raw steak that I still have to go home and cook. But I can go to a restaurant at Texas Roadhouse and buy one for $25 already cooked and everything, and me and my family can split that. So no, won't be eating steaks tonight. And that was the sale price. Can you imagine what the, and then they were actually thick. I don't like thick T-bones. I don't like thick steak either. I like not thin, but kind of like, I don't know, medium steaks, if that makes any type of sense. So I'm back to square one. I don't know what we're gonna eat tonight. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for lunch today. Y'all, oh my gosh, I love these aviators. The Lincoln aviators are so freaking nice. I seen one and I was like, oh, I want one, but I'll probably get one after the girls start school and get out of daycare. That's a lot of extra money per month. I'm actually about to just head back to work. Screw it. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I might not even eat. No, I need to eat because I start my fast and diet tomorrow, so I actually need to eat bad if I'm going to eat bad, because I gotta weigh in tomorrow. But I don't know what I'm gonna eat. So, ooh, lit pizza sounds good. Maybe I get a pizza. They can do it fast. I don't know. That's my Thursday, y'all. I don't know. All right, y'all. So I ended up going to Lit Pizza And I got me a pizza for lunch. Put a sticker on there. But I ended up getting the, I don't know, kind of like a veggie pizza. It has ricotta cheese, red onions, black olives, mushrooms, red onions, artichokes, grilled chicken, pesto, basil, all of that. So I'm about to try it out to see if it's good, if I like it. This is really good. Wow. And it has roasted garlic on it, which I love. Roasted garlic. So good. Oh, this is so good. I'm sorry I be smacking. This pizza is lit. Lit pizza! Oh my gosh! Duh! Okay. I'm gonna eat my pizza. Drink my little blood orange lemonade. And go back to work. So I'm gonna finish up for these closings I have coming up. And figure out what we're gonna cook tonight. So I'll check y'all out later. Hey y'all, it is Saturday, which means it's the end of this vlog. This week's weekly vlog. It's like, let me see. Bia, stop. It's 6:55. So the day is pretty much gone. What we did today, what did we do yesterday? I didn't vlog yesterday either, I don't think. Ugh, I didn't. We didn't do anything yesterday. I stayed up till like midnight last night. And then I got up at 3 because the dogs was barking. She had a track meet this morning at 5 o'clock. Y'all see Micah ponytail? Y'all see his ponytail? He got a little cut today. He think he's something. Ow! So anyways, we're actually just going to do nothing tonight. My nephew is here spending the night, and also my stepson is here tonight, and then my stepdaughter moved back. I didn't show you guys that this week, but she moved back this week. She's been here since Tuesday or Wednesday, but she's at a track meet in LSU. So we have her back too, so we have a house full tonight. It's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog, this weekly's vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Peace.